Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video I am going to show you step by step guide to how to install the Spyder Python IDE on Windows 11 and 10 operating system. So let's start. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Spyder. Then you will navigate to this page, and here you can see the www.spider-id.org, the official website for the Spyder. So just click on this link. Now here you can see the download button for the Windows 10 Plus. So you just need to click on this download for Windows 10 Plus. Then here you will see all the versions for which operating system it is available, like Mac OS, then Linux and Windows, and it will start automatically downloading. So it is 548 MB file. So let's wait till it download, then we will see the installation. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's install it. For that, open it into folder. Now this is the exe file. So just double click on it. Click on the next button. Now here we have to accept the agreement. So click on I agree. And here we have two options, like it is for the one user, that is just me, and for the all users. So right now I'm keeping it as for me only, so I'm just checking this just me and click on the next. Now this will be the path where all your Spyder files will be stored. If you want to change, you can directly change from here. I'm just keeping it as it is and click on the next button. Now here we have two options. One is for the all packages and second one is for the shortcut for it. So I'm selecting this both and click on the install button. So it will start installing. Let's wait till installation complete. So we have installed it successfully. Now let's click on the next button and finish. You can see the desktop icon shortcut is created here. So let's open it. So this is the Spyder application. Here we have the multiple options like files, from where we can create the new file, then edit, search. This is the console where we can type our code. This is the notepad where we can type our code, and this is the console where we can see our output. So in this way you can install the Spyder Python application on Windows 11 operating system. Now let's try to run one program. So we'll print one statement. For that we are using print. Then open the bracket, open the double quote, and enter your message. So I'm writing welcome to my channel. Just save your code, and here we have the run button. Just click on run. So you can see on console it is printed welcome to my channel. So in this way you can install the Spyder and run your Python code on Windows 11 operating system.